Tongue shuts itself off. I still haven't figured out how. Well, it would help if I had some scissors. Oh, right in front of me. I'm not much of a shiny, so I'm a little nervous about this one. Shiny on shiny. But I'm going to put it together and see what you guys think. Very often I will put one that I think together that I think I went way overboard on, and somebody else will come along and go, ooh. So I guess I'm just not a magpie. I'm going to put GIMP on this so I don't have to worry too much about the edges being not all the way out to the border and showing, because it kind of wraps around. So I think I will be okay. On this. Put a little bit of edging on it. Just glued that down. And then I'm going to put backing on the back and either red or black around the edges. I haven't decided. I'll have to try and see which one I like the best. And leave it at that. I want a simple edge, but I want it elegant. And that's going to have to sit for a while and get set before I mess with it too much. So I can be looking for my trim and background paper. I had a very pretty skinny trim that I thought I was out of, but I think I just found some. Last year, I used this and used this and used this and used this. I think I used most of it up. I might find it someplace else, but yep, this is what I've been searching for it to reorder this year, but I have not found it. So I might be out of luck. This might be dark green. But it is a skinny finish. Let's see if I can do this without anything falling off. Okay, yeah, I think I will use that. That'll give it a very simple edge. Trim is a dark green, and it will pick that up. Then I will see if I can find a saying to tie the front and back together. As I said, most of the techniques I use are not difficult, and they all kind of are variations on the same theme for the most part. They all sort of go together the same way. It's just a matter of deciding how fat you want the sides, depending on your trim, deciding on a trim, making just color decisions, that type of thing. Is enough kind of decisions. Okay, we got our trim, we got this cut out. Oh, well, that might tie it together. That's a possibility. This box is a bunch of small pieces that I've cut off of other cards. Like if I like the gold trim on the bottom of a card, I will cut that off. Or, you know, something like that. I can fussy cut that around and use it on another card. I very often will do that just to give things a little bit of interest. Little odds and ends of pieces that I can use. Well, once again, the phone struck and turned itself off. We had basically done everything from edging to backing to the only thing I added was a greeting on the back, which I am showing you now. And hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed it. Come back tomorrow.